Hi everyone. This is a short video showing you how to make your assignment in Teams like we did in the PD so that it can be AI resistant. First in Teams, you want to open Teams. You all have Teams installed. Just go down to the search bar and type Teams. It looks like a purple T. Once you start it up, you could be seeing anything. So what I want you to do is on the side menu here, find assignments. You may have other assignments already listed. I'm going to click create. This is what you should do. Create a new assignment. New assignment. There's other things Teams can do to manage your class. Those will be explained maybe in another video. We're just going to stick to the topic for AI resistant assignments. Click new assignment. Choose a class to put it in. I'll just choose engineering. On this screen, you're going to fill out the assignment details as you would on campus. You can put the due date, the class, you can change it again. Keep it for all students, of course. Set the points. There's some other fun things you can do if you really want to get into it. But the mandatory ones are title, sample essay. You're going to put all of your instructions right here in the description. And then what you really want to do is down here, you're going to click New and choose Word document. That's the most basic way to start this up. You give it a name. So if it was like Ender's Game essay. Done. And so it makes a document here. It says students can't edit. Well, that's not what we want. We want to change it to students edit their own copy. And so we have title, instructions. You've added a document. Yes, you can attach one, but for the most basic situations, you just create a new document from scratch. Due date, you can put the points in here. Remember, you're not grading in here. The points would just remind them how much it's worth. You still have to go to on campus and set this up as a legit assignment for your gradebook. One last thing to do is turn on tracking changes. We found this helps a little bit more. So you're going to hit these three dots. You're going to say open in Word Online. You're going to go to review, track changes for everyone. Great. This should allow you to see literally every time they add a word to the document. Once you're done here, it's saved. So we'll just close it. Go here back here, and basically you're going to click assign. After that, you see the assignment in your assignments list. Remember, we're all in the assignments tab here. The next thing you want to do is copy a link to this assignment and put it in on campus. That's available on these three dots. We click copy link. Good. Now, we're back in on campus, and I'm creating a new assignment for my class. And I would call this Ender's Game essay. And I would say, this assignment is on Teams. You must complete the assignment there. If you don't, you will not get credit. That's all you really have to say. And then to help them out, you paste the link right there. And you can even be really nice and say, click this link to get started. There you go. Now, obviously, in class, we'll have explained to them in person that they have to just do it all in Teams. I would show them the process of clicking the link. Then you have to fill out the rest of this. And then this is where you want to put in your points because the actual grade will end up here.